Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing a quick how-to video for all those individuals that have a factory radio or sound system but still want to add an aftermarket backup camera. Provo Beast Audio Installation channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code ProvoBeast. Now the kits that you can purchase to make this setup happen with your vehicle can be purchased from multiple online retailers. Generally speaking, Amazon, eBay are great places to start. But again, many other retailers do have these types of kits. Now this is a wireless kit, meaning we don't necessarily have to run a video cable from the camera itself all the way to the screen in the front of the vehicle. There is still some wiring involved, essentially providing power to the unit. Now this kit involves a screen, and this does like section cup to a windshield, for example. It also includes a power cable for the screen. Next, you'll have the actual camera itself. Multiple different types are on the market. This one specifically bolts to the studs of your license plate. Generally sits up and over the license plate. You can put a license plate on top of it as well. Pretty uninvasive. It's just a simple camera, and it has a little bit of wiring to allow some flexibility where you mount the next piece, the transmitter. So this transmitter essentially will transmit the video signal from your camera here and display it on the screen. Finally, to power the whole thing, you'll just need a simple power cable. This needs to essentially tap into the power and ground of your reverse light. So to get one of these set up, again, very simple connections here. Take your transmitter. You'll want to get this hopefully within the vehicle itself. So sometimes that requires you to drill, to run cabling into the vehicle. Every application will differ, but essentially you want this as close to the screen as you can. The shorter the distance usually yields a better video connection. So the first thing you want to do to get this mounted is run this into the vehicle, and then you're going to want to plug it into the wireless transmitter. Once that plugs in, that takes care of the video portion for the camera. This also does support power to the camera as well. The second piece that you need to worry about is powering the whole system here. Now it does also come with plenty of length of wire to connect power. This end, as you may have noticed, goes into the other port on the transmitter. And this end goes to the positive and negative of your reverse lights, where essentially it only is going to gain power when the vehicle is in reverse. So let's go ahead and get this set up on our bench here in the event you're looking to get this set up yourself. Alright, so with everything all set up for demonstration here, essentially we'll start the car, and every time, depending on the make and model, it may show up there and actually turn on the screen, but as you can see, it's in standby. It's ready to go because again, this is generally hooked in with the key. Down here we have this hooked into the power and ground of our reverse light, and again it powers the camera as well as the transmitter. And so we're going to simulate, since that's connected into the reverse light, we're going to simulate going into reverse, essentially turning on that reverse light, providing power to our camera. There we go. Automatically cycles over. But essentially we are in reverse. Now as soon as we move the car out of reverse, that light is no longer on, which also means that the camera no longer gets power. So we'll pull it out of reverse, and the screen goes back to the blue and should turn off. Now, like I said, every make and model may differ with the screen itself. So that's it. A simple connection to your reverse light and plugging this into the front power point in your vehicle. This generally the cigarette lighter works fine. That's it. It's a little bit of running wiring in the vehicle, but that keeps everything nice and tidy. Thanks guys for watching the channel. Again, check the description. We'll have a link with other helpful backup camera tutorial videos. We will certainly see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.